Oh, wait, I should stop gaming.
Draw me a river. Like Crybaby.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the first episode. I can't wait till the next episode. I hope we get a guest, maybe Kai. But for this episode, we'll just be me and Ron.
Country boys make do.
What?
Can you draw
What are
that?
you eating? I've been improving on my freehand, but I think for the first episode of fart shitting, we shouldn't go too crazy.
My birthday was recent.
Oh yeah? What did you do for your birthday? Didn't even get a present. Guess what I did for my birthday, which was recently.
Did you get a present?
Yep.
But got weight for his birthday.
I don't
He's
get
been
it.
training to get more weight.
I don't get it. He didn't though. He got lard for his birthday. Are you just lying? Are you just telling a lie? Why are you lying? Yeah, I don't even know what we're talking about. We're just saying words. God, this is so. I fucking hate drawing, dude. Fuck. It's so frustrating. It pisses me off, dude. I'm genuinely in a sour mood just from drawing for like 1 second. Oh, fuck. How does Frost Drive do this, dude? Fuck, it's going everywhere. This drawing pad is shit.
Listen. We're better people than them.
Yeah, I know, but like, what if we are? Then how come I can't draw? Fuck, there's shit all over my fucking drawing pad. My desk is full of shit. My balls ache, like, because I have cancer and shit. Oh, I'm fucking pissed off, dude. I can't draw like this, dude. I cannot draw like this, dude. Fuck, I'll keep trying. I gotta zoom in because I can barely fucking see what I'm doing. Shit. Oh! I haven't. Look, I can still draw.
What are you drawing then? What is that?
It's
What did you just do?
Wait.
Oh,
Wait,
now what?
Where'd
Are
the
you
thing go?
stupid?
Where'd
the thing go?
Oh shit.
Oh,
I just
shit.
fucking fuck off. Fuck. Right, this episode is it's gonna be so much better and so much less ah!
Okay. Well, why is there another finger?
Well, because it's pointing to another joke, Ron. Up here.
Oh.
Get on with it, dude. Come on. Fork, a barrel. What does it say up here? Something like fucking. Hey, look, I'm a Alzheimer's patient trying to draw a clock. Okay, I'm drawing a clock, and the numbers are 12, then 1, then 2, and I'm starting to forget what I was doing. 3, 4, 5. I forget how numbers work. 7, 83. I'm forgetting about numbers now. I'm gonna write a letter M. Now I'm gonna try and do the hands. So I'm gonna draw an actual fucking hand. And yep. Is that a clock, Mr. Daniels? Oh yeah, yeah. Well, looks like you got Alzheimer's. I don't know. I don't know. There we go. So that's the result of that. Wrong. Hopefully my art, my final. Hopefully my art doesn't have any foreshadowing on what next episode is going to be about. For this episode of Fart Charter, we are using the Wacom tablet. It's a good tablet for budding artists who just want to get into it and enjoy drawing and fun drawing and just have a good time and just have a fun time with it. And just have a fun, good time and a good... I don't care. I don't even care about that.
I want to show off my drawing tablet today. Got the... I don't even know what you said, so how am I going to copy your joke? I'm looking at the Audacity file and it's going real big. I'm trying to make a penis. That's kind of penis-like. I'll take it.
You take it. Get fucking gay, dude.
Today I will be drawing the Joker today in Among Us. So, and then we could title this one, The Joker in Among Us. Shit, dude, I've really lost it. Oh my god, dude, I forgot how to draw. Okay, look at this. Joker. Okay, look at this part.
Yeah, well, where's the arrow pointing to?
It's a fucking dick and balls. I'm sick of this, dude. I don't even want to do this.
Frost Drive was looking at me and he said, "Nigga."
Oliver, that's... got many layers.
Yeah, you should be confused. I'm confused. I don't know what the fuck's going on, dude. I'm Bobby Alzheimer's, hey!
It's like a crossing guard. You go to hey, missus, can I cross the street? And then the crossing guard is also... What if, like, that was a crossing guard and then the traffic is out of control?
Oh, dude, that gives me... Dude, you just inspired me. I'm gonna draw a crossing. Edit out everything that you just said and just I'll leave this in. And don't cut yet. Just keep it going. Keep all this in. But whenever you talk, cut it out.
You know, they...
2 eyes.
A nose.
I think he's got quite a small mouth and nose, I'd say. Got long, luscious hair. Goes down. Like this. His hair goes like that. He also has hair that sticks up a bit. And goes out like that. A little bit. Then he has, I've noticed he doesn't have this anymore, but he did tell me once he had a thing called a cleft lip.
Cleft lip, yeah.
Yeah.
I noticed that.
And then, I'm just imagining when he's older, he'll have real bushy eyebrows. This is him when he's older, but also when he's younger.
Okay. Yeah, because that's him right now, but also
he
when
might
he
grow
gets
a beard and also have hair on it, just fucking.
Yeah.
And also, I imagine in the future, we all get bad backs, and it's because humans are the only mammal to walk on all four.
All fours.
I don't know what that is. It's just like... Oh, no, that's an arrow.
Oh, what's that pointing to?
Yeah, it's unrelated. It's just a director.
That's for the next, yeah.
Yeah. Then, in terms of color, I'd say, there we go. And I'd say that is the good.
Well, guys, that is the episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Welcome back to Rob's. This is a new episode. We're now just merging recordings. Today we have Kai.
Welcome, Kai. Let me go change clothes. You should change too, Ron. Oh wait, we didn't have oh shit! But I think both our webcams are about to cut out.